I am exhausted, but I also love doing this. This is the thing, I don't know if you've ever heard of like zone of genius, but
Yeah.
this is my zone of genius. This is the thing that marketing doesn't really always feel like work to me because I love
So,
doing it.
so I have to ask you, what is your, I think many people would be interested in what is your workflow and what are your favorite social media tools?
Yeah, so I use Notion. I love Notion. I use it to plan out my social media calendar, both for the EXO account and my personal account. I live and breathe by CapCut. It is such a fantastic editing program. I like that I can do it both on my computer and on my phone. And my workflow is really, I am highest energy when I first get into work. So when I get here from 9 a.m. to 12, I really try not to put too many meetings in there. I try to let that be content creation time. I like that to be just high level thinking time as opposed to working in the business. So it's working on the business, not in the business.
Hmm.
And then I usually spend my afternoon in meetings, mainly because at that point I need to get up and walk. So if I'm in a meeting, I'm on a walking pad because I got to get my steps in.
Hmm.
Um, that's sort of my workflow. I have a little bit of ADHD, but I actually have an ADHD timer on my desk that allows me to hyper focus when I need to. And I find that that works really well for me.
So morning is kind of your most creative time, I'm, that's what I'm hearing.
Yeah, yeah. I love my mornings. I'm very fortunate that in the last year or two, I've really developed what I find to be a really good morning routine for me. I get up in the morning, I work out, then I have breakfast, then I journal, then I study Spanish, and then I end up coming into work. And then the first 3 hours for the day for me are really focused on content creation and creativity and business growth because I'm already riding such an endorphin high from working out and everything, and that works for me. After 1 o'clock, I'm so tired that it's hard for me to do sort of that high level thinking that
Hmm.
I try to do it early in the morning.
So I saw on your website that you're also shipping in other countries like Canada. I believe I saw UK, maybe others also. I would assume it becomes challenging as, to ship to other countries. As you mentioned, shipping is challenging and probably more expensive also. Um, do you ever think about franchising this idea or the, little cafes, or some sort of, way of having people take your idea and have their own like creation while you also get paid in the process?